to Rock's Interiors, and this is our small space solutions for a 38 square meter studio design and build project in one Shangri-La Residences. Hey guys, before we dive into the tour, I just wanted to share something special we do for our clients. Whenever we design and build their homes, we give them these custom scented candles to add a cozy personal touch to their space. Now let's take a look at the before photos of the renovation. This space was transformed from a pretty basic setup into a modern minimalist Japandi inspired home. It's a blend of Japanese and Scandinavian design that's simple and calm. The color scheme. Honestly, I was getting really bored with all the neutral tones. That's why we went with dark navy blue as the main color. It's bold and pairs so well with the acacia wood accents. They just work together like a match made in heaven. The kitchen. We made some big changes here. All the existing cabinets got a revamp, and we even added headers to give it that seamless look. Plus, we added a cute little breakfast nook with open shelving for extra storage. The countertop is black quartz with white accents, and the front design feature PVC flutings. The smart storage. We went for sleek and modern storage solutions. Because let's be real, there's never enough storage, right? The living area is packed with hidden storage to keep things tidy. The sofa niche. This was another clever use of space. It can be a living room, an extended dining area, or even just a guest bed. Super versatile depending on how you want to use it. The lighting. To keep the cost down, we didn't mess with the ceiling or electricals. The trick. We added track lights so we can highlight key areas without any major work. The outlets. Our clients wanted a lot of outlets, so we installed 22 in a 38 square meter space. Definitely no shortage of places to plug in. The glass divider. I designed this black instead of the typical white to add a bold touch. It also separates the room nicely with frosted glass for privacy. The bedroom. The walls are painted in that same dark navy blue. It's such a calming and intelligent color, perfect for our client who's a lawyer and loves reading. We also replaced the old cabinets with custom modular ones to give him even more storage. And that's it. Thank you for coming along in this little tour. Don't forget to subscribe for more interior design walkthroughs. See you next time.